Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal details to the Seek Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the last section. Then you should click on the settings button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and tap on personal details, which is the first option. You should enter your first name and then your last name. Then your email address should be added, as well as your phone number. You don't have to add it, but it's recommended. And then your home location, entering your suburb or town. After that, if you are done with filling these all of these sections, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So now your personal details have been updated, so feel free to customize and change them anytime you want to by going back to that section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.